Thanks for sticking around to see that done. It was a really fun piece to make, and I really... Go away, you pig! Absolute pig. Hi guys, been a while. Sorry about that. I don't have an immune system, and I wasn't wearing my goggles as diligently as I should have been. I got something in my eye, and that little speck of dust turned out into a full-fledged facial infection. So I was kind of camera shy for a bit. It's mostly gone now, but I can't afford to put this off any longer. So here we go. Now I've had another idea kind of turning around in my head for a while, another theme that I like to work with. And I quite like crosses, and I think irregardless of your personal beliefs or anything too serious like that, I think it's pretty safe to say that cross is a universal symbol for hope. So I designed this piece to kick off my new hero collection. This piece is crafted entirely out of sterling silver, but there will be a white gold and possibly a rose gold option on my website in the future as well. So without any more delay, let's get to the video.
again. It's a rich thing.
Thanks for sticking around. It was a really fun project. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Admittedly, it took a lot longer to make than I thought it was going to. Hopefully, it won't take as long for my next video to come out either. And I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.